Your car's engine depends on a precise balance of air and fuel to run smoothly and efficiently. And the air filter plays a critical role by allowing only clean, dust-free air into the combustion chamber. When the air filter becomes clogged with dirt and debris, airflow is restricted, which can choke the engine and cause noticeable power loss and reduced acceleration. Insufficient airflow also disrupts the fuel-air mixture, often making it too rich, leading to poor combustion, rough idling, misfires, and reduced fuel efficiency. Over time, this imbalance can damage vital components such as the mass airflow sensor, which may give incorrect readings, as well as spark plugs and fuel injectors that can become fouled with carbon buildup. To avoid these problems and maintain strong engine performance and good fuel economy, the air filter should be inspected regularly and replaced immediately if it appears dirty or has been in use for more than a year, making it one of the simplest and most effective maintenance tasks you can perform.